This desk storage rack is such a great find. First, it comes packaged really great. The box is nice and slim, and then it comes in this bubble wrap. And you do have to assemble it, but it's actually really easy to assemble. And you've got your instructions right here, and it comes with everything that you need, including a little screwdriver and your screws. So I'll show you how to put that together really fast. So the first thing that you'll do is actually attach this centerpiece, which is a divider. And I love that it has a divider because you can go ahead, it's also adjustable. So you can move it along this shelf, making it sized to however you're needing it, and you can put it wherever you want. So these, you'll go ahead and take a couple screws and you'll put them in on this side like this. And then you'll put the top piece in. Okay, so once that's screwed on, you can see that it moves along the shelf right there. And then all you'll do is you'll take these end pieces, and then they'll go right here, screwed right there on the end. So So this is what it looks like put together. It was super easy, super quick to put together. It's nice and sturdy, locked together. And again, I love that it has this slider. It can hold about 32 books. And I also love that it has this handle. So it's actually portable if you're needing to move it from space to space. So you don't have to have it permanently fixed somewhere, which I think is a great feature. It's made with 100% pine solid wood, so it's going to be nice and sturdy and durable. And I just think if you are in the market for something, you could hold your records, books, magazines, I think there's a lot of options with this, then you should definitely check this one out.